Welcome back, guys. So first, if you notice my voice is kind of raspier than normal, I'm sick as a dog. I got the flu or something. I'm not really sure what's going on. But anyway, been taking a couple of days off from work. So here's the excuse me, here's the first platter that I did on the FL Sun. And you can see, let me turn this light on. Oh, that didn't really help. You can see these blotches on the bottom. I think that may have been from wet filament. And also, this guy is really warped. So I took it um, to the ender, and of course, it came out freaking gorgeous. I also printed out some support pieces. So instead of using a bearing and that stand or that stand, I made some support pieces, cutting in and making sure that it sits on there, and it'll go. Here, hold on, let me get it on there. Come on. It'll go on there like that and then sit down, and I can use um, uh, the VCR bearing, which works really well. I love using the VCR bearing. It does have a little bit of a wobble to it. I'm just now noticing. And I'm not really sure why. Probably I have to. There we go. There we go. That seemed to help. Okay. Yeah. So I'm still waiting on the magnets. I've got uh, 4 of them there, 5 of them there. One of them broke. I think I showed you my finger the last time. But yeah, once those come in, I'm still going to cut out a piece of 1/8 inch acrylic sheet and glue it to the bottom of this to stabilize it. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I've got some suggestions, and I think I'm going to go with the one for this coil that was really bad, warped out really bad, unlike this one that came out freaking gorgeous. I think I'm going to unwind it and save the wire because I really don't want to use that coil. That's nasty. And I didn't put any epoxy resin on there, so it shouldn't be too hard to get it off of there. But yeah, so I'm going to, I'm waiting for the magnets. They should be in shortly. In the meantime, I can get some of these little bivots off of here from the printing process. But yeah, this came out good. I used concentric infill, meaning that it goes around like this. So it goes around, 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 it goes around instead of zigzag. I just wanted to try it, and it came out really well. So, yeah, I got to make sure that this guy is sitting on there nice and flat, and I think it is. Has a little bit of a wobble still, and I don't know what that's from. It's not too bad. But yeah, I should be. It's a lot better than this thing. This thing is going in the garbage. In the garbage. All right. Whoops. Sorry about the finger there. And I think there's like a little bit of a fog on my film. I think because I came out of the warm house into the cold garage. I'm also thinking about firing up some of these guys and getting them going again. I've got that one there, and I also have that one there, which I really like. And of course, I have the solenoid motor from my collab with my brother from down under. All right, so stay tuned.